Are we live and alive?
We're live and alive.
We are?
Yeah.
Live and alive. Live and... You know what I saw yesterday? I think I may have sent it to you. I saw a Ferrari crash video.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Yeah. I think that'll be the next crash video we talk about. It's not our Ferrari crash video, but... Guys, happy Tuesday, and welcome to another edition of... Live and Alive with a Texas Torch. I should have a phone so I can see who's joining us, my friends. It's going to get lit all day, every day. Guys, I've been live and alive for a while, and I'm glad to be here with y'all. I'm going to wait a little bit, let some time go by, let some of my friends join, and maybe I can find a phone somewhere so I can join. And we're going to go over some exciting things here today. Some exciting things here. But let me start with, we have a lot of people that watch. You all log on and watch with me, and my friends, our family, everyone. And I've realized lately that defense lawyers watch. The insurance industry, Nationwide, Geico, Farmers is cool though, by the way. Allsnake.com, snakefarm.com. Our number one audience are haters with the insurance company. Guys, we're going to throw some hearts out there. Good morning, Miss Jess. Throw some fire out there. We're live and alive with the Texas Torch, guys. Happy Tuesday again. And I always told people, haters make the world go round. Right? You saw that post we put up with Nicki Minaj? If the haters are watching our videos, they're downloading our feed, and they're sharing it, now they're promoting and supporting us. And they don't even know. They can't help it. They're watching this right now, live and alive with us. And we all know the saying, man. Haters are gonna hate no matter what. So let's see. Let's scoot this way. Let's scoot that way. Yeah, welcome, guys. Thank you for joining this amazing edition of Live and Alive with the Texas Torch. We're going to give out a $50 gift card today, randomly, and maybe some cool ties. Throw me a cool tie with the Texas Torch on it. And Miss Anita is going to tell us how we're going to select the person who's going to win the tie. Check it out. There we go. We got Director Dylan in the house, Terry, Janet, Mr. Lohani Khan, Mary, welcome, guys. Thank you for joining us. Like I was saying, our favorite audience are the defense lawyers and the insurance companies. And they hate because they don't understand. They can't appreciate why we do what we do. They definitely don't like the fact that I'm board certified, annihilating them for you guys, for our customers and clients out there. They don't want to see it. Let me tell you all about that trial we had last week. And it was an amazing experience for me. First time ever. Guys, we try a lot of cases your average lawyer doesn't. We see a lot of things that your average lawyer doesn't. And in this particular case that we had last week, sorry guys, I tried negotiating with a defense firm, Ekval and Byrne, up in Dallas. And they wouldn't call, they wouldn't talk, they were trying to be difficult, which is okay, guys. You don't talk to us, we just show up to trial and burn a path to victory for our clients. And that's what we did. The defense lawyer filed an exhibit list with 86. Guys, Dr. Case Ricks, we're deposing him right now as we speak. Dr. Aranque, I'm taking his depo again tomorrow. The guy that exposed his life to me and helped me take him down. But this defense lawyer filed 87 exhibits. And when I went over these exhibits with her, I was like, ma'am, the only thing that may be an exhibit is number 84, photographs. Oh yeah, I agree. And when we got to trial, can you imagine she billed her client? She ignored us so she can pound her client. And that's what happens. People can't beat us. No, God bless, man. TexasTorch.com. They beat their clients and beat their clients and beat their clients. And then go and say, you see, all that beating, all that pounding, it scared them to settle. She showed up to trial and went from about $75,000 to $225,000. Unbelievable. And when the judge asked her about her pretrials, she was like, yeah, Your Honor, just like Attorney Hadi mentioned, none of our exhibits are exhibits. They're just in there to hold their place. I wonder if I take that recording, that transcribed, right? Recording from trial and send it to their clients. See how their clients feel about that. None of the 87 exhibits that you billed thousands and thousands of dollars was an exhibit. Welcome, guys, to another edition of Snake Farm, the Texas Torch. Thank you, Mr. Dylan. My son's name is Dylan, by the way. One of my 3 boys. Can you imagine if I send that recording to their client and say, your client came to court and said none of these were exhibits? But that's what they do. They scare themselves into settling with us because they're not going to scare us, right? It's just not going to happen. It's not going to work. Anita, are they going to scare you?
No.
Nah, no way. Anita does scare me sometimes. You know? So, and then when we started, she looked to the judge and said, Your Honor, we accept all of Hadi's exhibits. All of them. All? Yeah. My affidavits that I put in there that are just chilling, you accept those as well? Yeah. The police report, everything comes in, all my billing records, all of my medical records, you accept it all? Yeah. Then why'd you spend like $15,000, $20,000 on these doctors to come and argue what? They don't understand the concept of litigating. They try to act like they do, but they have no idea. No idea. And it just goes to show. Wouldn't negotiate for years. Showed up to trial, drove down from Dallas, beating their client hourly to drive from Dallas in the pouring rain last week to come and say what? She walked into court, hey, Hadi, I have more money. You just need to ask me for more money. I was like, just like that? Okay. My clients want more money. Well, here's my numbers. Here's how much more. I was like, wow. And for the first time ever, when the jury came out, 46 members, she got up and said, hey, I have more money now, even more. You got to take it to your client and tell your client. I was like, ma'am, the jury's out here. I know what my client's going to say. We've been talking all morning. She walked up to the judge, and looked at the judge and said, Your Honor, I just offered Hadi more money, and he won't tell his clients. Well, it's not up to the judge to tell me what to do or not to do in that situation. If you have a complaint about me not talking to my client who's sitting right there and not taking your offer with the jury sitting, then go file a grievance. And we'll talk about that soon. But don't go and put pressure on the judge and put the judge in a position that they don't want to be in. The judge looked at me and I was like, Your Honor, I've been trying for years. Now is not the time. We've been talking to my client. I know what my client's going to say. Hey, can you please? Sure. Brought the client up in front of the jury, fixed his collar. He rejected it. We went and sat down. I told the defense lawyer, if I say hi to the jury panel, all my offers will be gone. We're going to try this case. As soon as the judge finished speaking to the jury and sat down, I got up. Your Honor, may it please the court? Yes, sir. Can you please pull down the screen for my presentation? And I came to walk around the table. The defense lawyer jumped up fast. Blew my mind. The defense lawyer jumped up and said, may we approach? And the judge, please approach. Your Honor, we accept all of Hadi's demands. Wow. What were you doing, ma'am? What were you doing? What if I said no? What if I said, Your Honor, they countered it. My client is not interested anymore. We're here. The jury panel is here. 4 lawyers. Plaintiff law firm, defense law firm, Gallagher Bassett Insurance Company. 4 lawyers amongst the 46 members on the jury panel. What would you have done? You're lucky we had mercy on you from $75,000 to $225,000. And that's what goes into being the Texas Torch guys. We line them up all day, every day. Thank you for joining. Guys, are you guys still hiring? We are always reviewing resumes. Shoot us a DM or shoot us an email with your resume. My friends, I'm about to talk to you about something exciting. I may have a case for you. Chavez Marco, come through. Shoot us a DM. We're always here. What up, what up? You saw what we mentioned on our last reel, right? I'm free. Free 40 free. You know what I came up with free 40 free? All these events we have, like at Savage, who's part of this as well. Mr. Danny, welcome guys. Texas Torch, Team Savage in the house. And the events we have with the Texas car, the car culture. People come up to our booth and say, how much for this hat? Or how much for this bag? Or for this? I'm like, guys, this one right here is free 40 free. This item right here is free 40 free. And then they get confused. They start looking for money. I'm like, free 40 free. Yeah, our services are free. Until we settle and annihilate for y'all, they're free. Guys, y'all remember the post? King Kong, yummy, go hottie. He said, ho hottie. What do you mean, ho hottie? Live and alive with the Texas Torch. Guys, y'all remember that reel we put up where I was talking about that defense firm, Anderson and Truitt, with what was how do I say it? In my opinion, female dog boy Truitt. Let me say that again. In my opinion, female dog boy Truitt was upset that, in my opinion, I said his defendant, who we read, had all types of convictions. They ended up coming and making it rain on us with every single penny they had. He went and filed the complaint with the state bar. Take a screenshot, guys. Take a screenshot and spread this. When people think we're scared, he filed a complaint riddled with lies. I emailed him today. I said, Mr. Truitt, at least I didn't go and lie to the state bar to get an advantage in a situation. That's what you did, Jason. You lied. Because you thought that lie would somehow hurt or affect me. You didn't know what you were talking about, my friend. You didn't know what you were talking about, female dog boy Truitt. And your grievance got dismissed May 12th, 2023. You thought I would be scared that you went and filed a complaint against me to the state bar? Lying? Maybe I should come and file something against you for lying. In my opinion, those lies were a little defamatory. Those lies were a little defaming of my... Guys, you think if someone lies about me, it might be defamatory to my character? But I'm not a female dog boy, Truitt. I'm not going to come and try to slap a grievance on you, my friend, guys. We're going to end it while it's glitching, but
It's back.
It's back. We're back. The glitching stopped. We're going to give out a $50 gift card and a swag bag to Mary Mary 7. Yes, ma'am. Guys, thank you for joining us. Oh, and before I go, if you haven't already, don't forget to enter the giveaway. Female dog boy Truitt, don't enter this giveaway. But for everyone else out there, don't forget to enter the giveaway. May 25th, we're going to give it away, which is next week, guys. So if you've already entered, thank you. Over 1,000 comments. Oh, thank you. What's that?
I just need to take pictures.
Oh, please, rock and roll. Guys, thank you for everything. Anything we can do, please let us know. We're always here at your service. Spread the word, enter the giveaway, and remember, We ain't afraid of no ghosts. Live and alive with a Texas torch. See you guys next time. Happy Tuesday.